Hi, welcome back to the 5th video of the random cat video series. And my friends have told me that I'm not getting enough of my cat on my random cat vids. Well, I don't know. But if you want, I can make a whole 5 minutes of my cat doing things he does every day. And I will start now. See, he's a normal kitty. Nothing random. What is it, Taggy? Ow! I'm petting you. See? Sorry about my stupid hair. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have now. This has been Random Cat Vids 5. The 5th. That's all I got now. Big K. Ingredients. Right there. Is it backwards on the phone? It's backwards on the phone. Anyways, put it up in the mirror. You'll figure out what it says. And goodbye.